Hey future parents, ready for an exciting journey into parenthood? Say goodbye to awkward lab visits and complicated procedures and meet your new fertility ally, the SpermScope. Compact, user-friendly, and designed for your comfort. The SpermScope is your simple, at-home solution for checking your husband's sperm health. But it's not just a microscope, it's a game-changer. Now no more visits to the pathology lab and the awkwardness of dealing with their less-than-ideal collection rooms. Experience the convenience of checking your husband's sperm at the comfort of your home with SpermScope. Imagine viewing and analyzing your partner's sperm right on your smartphone. Well, with SpermScope, you can. No need for bulky equipment or complicated setups. Just connect the mini microscope to your phone, follow our simple instructions, and voila, you'll be exploring the microscopic world of sperm in the palm of your hand. Ready for this exciting journey together? Get your SpermScope now. Visit our website or contact us today. Because when it comes to your fertility, knowledge is power. Your dream family is just a step away. Don't miss out, start your journey with the SpermScope.